Hi babes, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing science experiments to get glue seepage out of your doll's hair. So basically, I'm going to be sacrificing my dolls so that you don't have to ruin yours. And hopefully their hair won't fry off their head, because that would really suck. First of all, I would just like to say, spoiler alert, obviously it did work, because if it didn't, I wouldn't be posting this video. I would be crying while holding my ruined dolls in my hands, obviously. So here is the before. And here is the after. So while I was scrolling through TikTok, I saw that Dolls World had posted a video on how to remove glue seepage from your doll's hair using a product called Scrub Daddy Sieve Cleaning Cream, I believe. I'll put a picture of it just to have like the exact product. I believe when I was doing my research that is a Target exclusive, which if you are Canadian like I am, we don't have that here. So I'm going to be using the, I believe, Canadian equivalent, and we're gonna see if that's gonna get the same effects, because I'm not entirely sure if this is 100% the exact same product. Little disclaimer. So this is the Vim Pureboost Cream. There's no bleach in this, because I believe that there is a version of this product that does have bleach, so just make sure the one that you're using does not have bleach, because then you might ruin your doll's hair, so don't do that. So let's get started.
Alright, so here are the two dolls that we're going to be working on today, Rochelle and Viprine. In this video I'm going to be working on Rochelle, but just for reference, here's also Viprine. Her hair is not as bad as Rochelle's, but as you can see near the scalp, we're dealing with glue seepage. As you can see, Rochelle kind of has it the worst. Her hair looks super greasy and gross. We're going to be using the Vim Pureboost Cleaning Cream. This is a better look at what the bottle looks like. I got it at Canadian Tire for like $4. Nowhere on the bottle does it say to wear gloves, but a lot of people recommended to wear gloves, so I'm wearing gloves because I don't want to ruin my nails. So we're going to start off by rinsing off the hair just so it's easier to get the product in. Now we're just applying the cleaning cream. As you can see, I'm starting to just rub it in and as much of the product towards the scalp. At first I didn't put enough of the cleaning cream in, so I ended up going back in with some more later on, because as you can see, it's not really lathering very well because I didn't put enough. But I'm really just trying to get at the scalp to try to get as much of the glue out of there as possible, since it's usually the glue is most concentrated at the scalp. So you just really want to massage it in as if it were like just shampoo. I tried to focus mostly on the roots and then work it down to the ends of the hair. Now I'm just rinsing it out. I didn't let the cleaning cream sit for too long because I was a little worried it would make the hair fall out, but it didn't. Next, I'm just going in with some shampoo. First, I'm rinsing off my glove. Now I'm going in with some shampoo in her hair. I'm just rubbing it on my gloves, and now I'm just working it through her hair. In this clip, I accidentally used way too much shampoo, but then I just reused it for Viprine, so it was fine. It worked out. Now I'm just rinsing her off again, rinsing off the shampoo. Alright, now we're going in with some conditioner. I don't know why I put it mostly at the ends. I kind of like rubbed it all over her hair. I think I was probably just thinking about like, oh, how do I use conditioner? But I honestly don't think it matters very much. And now we're just rinsing her out again. I don't know why there is steam. The water was like not that hot. So I don't know. Now I'm just wrapping her up in a towel just to like get some of the excess water out, and I'm carefully wringing out her hair to dry her off, and then I just kind of let her air dry. And here's just a reminder of what they looked like before, and here's what they looked like after. Here is before for Viprine. And here is the after. I think it looks so much better now, especially near her roots. It doesn't look as greasy as it did before. Here is the before for Rochelle. And here is the after. Her hair looks so much better. Oh my god. Definitely not as greasy looking as it did before, and I am so glad that that worked. If you'd like to see the video with just Viprine, you can watch the shorter, more condensed version of this video where it has all the same information, just instead of Rochelle being washed, it's Viprine. So you can go check that out. Thank you guys so much for joining me today, and hopefully this will work on your dolls as well. Bye!